Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a TikTok filter. So let's get started. First of all, open your TikTok app. After that, tap on this plus icon at the bottom. And then tap on the filter icon on the right side. And here you can see the filter is selected, so all you have to do now is just tap on None. Now we will remove the effect from our video. All we have to do now is just tape on the effects option. Now if you want to remove the effect, you will tap on the selected effect. To do that, the effect will be removed from our video. You can also do this by simply clicking on the None icon right here. So after that, you can record your video without a filter. If you find this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We are eager to hear from you.